When you scan the automotive horizon of 2026, what you see isn't just a new crop of shiny machines. You see a shifting of power. The age of humble sedans and predictable family cars is fading fast. What's rising in its place is something loud, fast, aggressive, a generation of sports cars that blend raw power, cutting-edge tech, and performance bravado in ways that will make rivals sweat. Whether you crave spine-tingling speed, hybrid torque, or futuristic electric thrust, 2026 is shaping up to be the ultimate performance playground. This is 2026 sports cars that'll make rivals jealous. Performance preview. Let's roll through the most exciting cars, what makes them tick, and most importantly, who is going to get that gloating grin when you roll past them at the traffic light. First up, the hypercars and supercars, the beasts. These aren't just vehicles, they're declarations, trophies, and rolling statements of dominance. If you want to leave a legacy, a mark in asphalt, or a name etched in the minds of fellow drivers, this is your lineup. The Lotus Evija for 2026 is a perfect example. 2012 horsepower of electric madness. This EO electric hypercar delivers insane straight-line speed combined with driver-centric precision. Its lightweight construction keeps it agile, and with 4 electric motors, all-wheel drive, carbon ceramic brakes, and torque vectoring, it's a head-turner. A silent predator built to shock, awe, and dominate the road. Then there's the Toyota GR-GT, a brand new breed of supercar born under the trusted umbrella of Toyota's Gazoo Racing, with a twin-turbo 4.0-liter V8 at its core, and hybrid assistance to sharpen torque and throttle response. This rear-drive mid-engine coupe embodies the fusion of tradition and modern performance. Its chassis and drivetrain are engineered for both brute speed and razor-sharp, handling a car built for those who want visceral power that's track-ready and thrilling in equal measure. Whispers also swirl around the much-anticipated Zenvo Aurora, a hybrid hypercar pairing a 6.6L quad-turbo V12 with electric motors to produce a combined output beyond ordinary imagination. With limited production numbers and pedigree built for exclusivity and raw force, the Aurora is for those who don't just drive, they dominate, leaving rival drivers and even fellow enthusiasts in awe. But 2026 isn't just about roaring engines. It's the year when electric torque and hybrid muscle collide with traditional sports DNA, proving you don't need a V8 to annihilate stoplights or impress onlookers. Take the Maserati Gran Cabrio Folgore, a luxury convertible with a triple-motor EV setup, producing up to 818 horsepower, WD torque vectoring carbon fiber chassis, and a 0-60 sprint in roughly 2.7 seconds, make it perfect for moonlit speedruns or racetrack adrenaline. Wrapped in unmistakable Italian style and elegance, the legendary Porsche 911 Turbo S continues its evolution in 2026. Blending updated tech, potential hybrid assistance, and a driving experience that still benchmarks precision, balance, and feel. 2. Even without exhaust roars, its instant torque, razor-sharp handling, and sublime engineering make it a car that commands respect, proving that performance is not about noise alone but about the harmony of power and control. Rumors also suggest high-proficient performance coupes are on the horizon, ready to trade engine bellow for instant torque and lightning-quick bursts, emphasizing that in 2026, you don't need exhaust pipes to make a statement. Not everyone can afford a 6-figure hypercar, and 2026 recognizes that. Some drivers crave heart-pounding speed, tight handling, and everyday usability. The Nissan Z Heritage Edition brings nostalgia and modern performance together with up to 420 horsepower in its Nismo trim, a twin-turbo 3.0-liter V6, improved suspension, and heritage-inspired styling. It might not outshine a Ferrari, but it will absolutely make rivals and friends look twice, offering the thrill without the eye-watering price tag. For those needing weekend practicality without compromise, the Audi RS5 Avant returns as a high-performance estate, with speed, balance, and unmistakable Audi Sport temperament. It caters to enthusiasts who want performance, but also space for life's necessities. The rumored Chevrolet Corvette Zora promises hybrid AWD power, pushing beyond 1,000 horses, blending American muscle with global supercar sensibilities, potentially redefining what supercar on a budget really means. These cars prove that high-performance excitement is no longer reserved solely for the ultra-wealthy. Daily usability and heart-pounding thrills can coexist. Choosing the right 2026 sports car is about more than bragging rights. It's about lifestyle, driving habits, and personal values. Hypercars like the Lotus Evija, Toyota GR-GT, or Zenvo Aurora deliver raw speed, track prowess, and respect wherever they go. Sport performance EVs and hybrids like the Maserati Gran Cabrio Folgore or Porsche 911 Turbo S offer adrenaline, instant torque, and near-silent acceleration without sacrificing sophistication. Balanced options like the Nissan Z, Audi RS5, Avant, or Corvette Zora provide a sweet spot for daily commuting and weekend thrills alike. Of course, these choices come with trade-offs. Hypercars and limited-run machines are expensive to insure and maintain. EV performance vehicles rely on charging infrastructure that is still developing in many regions. Fuel-powered monsters consume gas and tires like wildfire. And practicality, cargo space, ride comfort, and daily usability can be limited. But for those who understand, accept, and respect these trade-offs, these cars become more than transport. They become extensions of personality, stories, and statements of identity. The 2026 sports car landscape represents a renaissance. Hypercars, hybrid torque, and electric acceleration converge in a diverse, accessible, and future-forward arena. Manufacturers are pushing boundaries with carbon fiber chassis, torque vectoring AWD systems, hybrid electric V8 South, and limited edition beasts designed for enthusiasts. Brands from Lotus and Toyota to Zenvo, Maserati, Porsche, Audi, Nissan, and Chevrolet are placing bold bets on performance for every type of driver. For drivers, 2026 means choice. There is no longer a one-size-fits-all sports car. Options exist for weekend track warriors, silent but insane EV aficionados, nostalgic gearheads, and status-driven speed demons. Your lifestyle, budget, and driving style define your champion. For the industry, this represents reinvention. Performance is no longer bound to fossil fuels or exclusivity. Electric torque, hybrid power, and engineering innovation are democratizing thrill. It's not just about horsepower anymore, it's about how you use it. When the dust settles, the winner isn't always the fastest car, it's the right car. The one that fits your personality, your roads, and your pace. If Chocando is your goal, hypercars like the Lotus Evija or Zenvo Aurora are ready to dominate. For cutting-edge power with electric acceleration, performance EVs and hybrids are the way forward. Of balance, combining performance, practicality, and price appeals. The Nissan Z, Audi RS5 Avant, or Corvette Zora might just be your golden ticket. So now, it's your move. Are you ready to burn rubber with hypercar intensity? Do you crave electric torque wrapped in stylish execution? Or do you want a balanced mix performance, practicality, and a grin every time you hit the gas pedal? Drop your pick in the comments below. Which 2026 model gets your heart racing? V's. This performance preview revved up your engine. Hit like, subscribe, and ring the bell to catch future deep dives on EVs, hybrids, and hypercars. Share this with a friend who lives for speed, because 2026 might just be the year they find their dream ride. In 2026, a sports car isn't just transportation. It's identity, it's freedom, it's pure adrenaline on wheels. And the racetrack is waiting. But this time, all you need is a steering wheel and a dare.